Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best NH35 movement is probably one of the most popular automatic watch movements in the market, renowned for its reliability, affordability, and ease of customization, making it a favorite for both beginners and experienced watch enthusiasts. In this video, we will deep dive into this movement, exploring its features, pros, cons, and everything you need to know before buying a watch with this movement. Number 5. Steeldive SD 1970 Automatic Watch. It's a timepiece that effortlessly blends vintage style with modern functionality. Discover the perfect blend of classic design and reliable performance. Notice its meticulously crafted details. The watch boasts a robust build, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily wear. This watch is powered by a reliable automatic movement, ensuring precise timekeeping. It's a testament to quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. With its impressive 200 water resistance, it's ready for any underwater adventure. Explore the depths with confidence, knowing it can handle the pressure. Inspired by the classic designs of the 1970s, it offers a timeless aesthetic. It's a watch that will stand the test of time, a true heirloom piece. It's more than just a watch, it's a statement. Make it yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It has a classic 1970s retro style that will never go out of fashion. Its 200 water resistance makes it perfect for swimming and diving. If you appreciate vintage aesthetics and need a robust watch for water activities, this is the one for you. What people say. It is subdued but still looks great, and it is very comfortable and easy to read. Best of all, it is very accurate. It started off gaining 10-12 seconds per day, but after a few days that dropped down to 5 seconds. After another week it has settled down and gains about 3 seconds per day. Seiko movement, nicely finished case, sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel. Number 4. Steeldive SD 1953 Automatic Watch. It's a timepiece built for adventure. This watch is designed to withstand the elements and keep you on time, no matter the challenge. It boasts a robust stainless steel construction. This ensures durability and a classic look that will last. The heart of this watch is a precise NH35 automatic movement. It's known for its accuracy and dependability. It's ready for any aquatic adventure. Take it diving, swimming, or snorkeling with confidence. It features a unidirectional bezel, making it ideal for tracking dive times. This watch is a must-have for any serious diver. It seamlessly blends style and functionality. It's a watch you can wear every day, from the office to the ocean. What we like. This watch boasts an impressive 300 water resistance, exceeding most diving watches. The durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity. If you're a serious diver or need a watch that can withstand extreme conditions, this is your best choice. What people say. The quality is fantastic, a great homage to the Rolex Submariner date, with a few minor differences. The hour marker on the rotating bezel does not have the little dot like the Rolex, but that's fine, it's luminous with the rest of the dial and bezel. Also, the Cyclops date window is slightly larger than a Rolex, making it easier to read, which was a big unexpected bonus. Also, holy hell, the lume on this watch is gorgeous. The bracelet that came on my watch does not have any slop or looseness in the links, and the clasp has been upgraded too. There are 6 micro adjustments that give way more precision to size it after removing links. It keeps great time, so far has kept accurate time with no noticeable second loss. 1 week use so far, and it is really good build quality. The luminescence on dial and hands is not too bad either when viewing at night. Number 3. Pagani Design Automatic Watch. This watch is a stunning timepiece, combining style and functionality. It's perfect for the modern man who appreciates quality and craftsmanship. The sapphire crystal face ensures scratch resistance, maintaining its pristine look for years to come. You'll always be able to clearly see the time. It's powered by a precise and dependable NH35 automatic movement. This ensures accurate timekeeping, day after day. Easily tell the time, even in low-light conditions. The luminous hands and markers provide excellent visibility at night. Built to last, it features a robust stainless steel case and band. It's designed to withstand daily wear and tear. It's water resistant, so you can wear it with confidence, even in light rain or while washing your hands. Don't worry about accidental splashes. What we like. It features a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and luminous hands for excellent readability in low light. The elegant design makes it suitable for both casual and formal occasions. If you value both style and functionality, this watch is a great option. What people say. The Seiko NH35 Movement is a real workhorse and is used in many moderate-priced watches in the $300 to $600 range. This is not your cheap knockoff. As mentioned, great Seiko movement, genuine sapphire crystal and good workmanship all around. Great finish on the case and a solid movement, Seiko. The bracelet is decent and the screw and links are a nice touch. Number 2. Watch Modding Repair Tool Holder. This innovative tool is designed to securely hold your watch movement during repairs, making the process easier and more efficient. It's compatible with a wide range of movements. It supports various movements including 7S25, 7S26, 7S35, 7S36, 4R35, 4R36, 4R37, 4R38, 4R39, NH25, NH26, NH35, NH36, NH37, NH38, and NH39. This ensures it's suitable for many popular watch models. The secure design prevents accidental movement damage during repair. This helps you work with precision and confidence. It's designed for ease of use, even for beginners. Simply place your movement in the holder and begin your repair. This tool is a must-have for professional watchmakers and hobbyists alike. It significantly improves the watch repair process. Get yours today. This holder enhances precision and efficiency in your watch repair work. It's a valuable addition to any watch repair kit. What we like. This isn't a watch, but a must-have tool for watch enthusiasts. It's compatible with a wide range of movements, including the NH35. If you are into watch modding or repair, this tool will make your work much easier and more precise. What people say. Fits the NH35 style movements perfectly. Definitely a needed tool for any watchmaker modder. Securely holds it like it should. Fits the movement naked and both with the dial. Nice holder. Number 1. LICHIFIT NH35 Watch Dial. Upgrade your watch with this stunning new dial. Its novel design and exquisite craftsmanship will transform your timepiece. It boasts a striking green luminous effect, ensuring readability even in low-light conditions. See the time clearly, day or night. This dial features a practical calendar window at the 3 o'clock position. Never miss a date again. It's designed for a perfect fit and easy installation. Simply replace your old dial and enjoy a fresh new look. This dial is specifically designed for NH35 automatic watch movements. It's the perfect upgrade for your watch. Give your watch a brand new look with this easy-to-install replacement dial. It's the perfect way to personalize your timepiece. What we like. This replacement dial offers a fresh, unique look for your NH35 watch. The green luminous ensures nighttime readability. If you want to customize your watch with a stylish and functional dial, this is a perfect upgrade. What people say. Packaged well, shipped fast, gorgeous dial. Markings are correct and the dial is stunning. Got this for my first Seiko mod for an SRPD, it's absolutely beautiful. The lume is great too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.